Here are my top tips when preparing to sell your home. Number 1 is deep cleaning and decluttering. Start by decluttering and removing personal items you don't want in the photos to create a neutral and spacious atmosphere. Clean all rooms thoroughly, including carpets, windows, and appliances. Pay special attention to areas like the kitchen and the bathrooms. A clean home is overall more attractive to buyers. It will also give a vibe that the home is well maintained. Number 2 would be enhance the curb appeal. First impressions matter, so focus on enhancing your home's exterior by cleaning the yard, trimming bushes, touch up paint if needed, and having a welcome entrance with a clean porch. You can also add some inviting touches like potted plants or a new doormat. Number 3 would be making any necessary repairs. Fix any noticeable issues like leaky faucets, squeaky doors, broken light fixtures, or burnt light bulbs. All of these items will help the photos turn out amazing and give your home the proper exposure it deserves. Great photos are the first step to effective marketing and attracting as many potential buyers as we can through the door. My last piece of advice would be to be flexible with showing. Accommodating potential buyers' schedules can increase the chance of the home selling quickly and also getting you not only the best price, but the best terms as well. If you have any real estate questions or need any other tips, don't hesitate to give me a call.